How to fix your Amazon two-factor authentication problem. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The main reasons are lost or changed phone, authentication app code not working, not receiving OTP, or incorrect device time setting. If any of it sounds like you, then let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is go to your Amazon sign in tab and then enter your email and password, then tap on sign in. Once you're going to be asked for a verification code, simply go ahead and choose how you want to get it. So either text, call, or email, or even your Authenticator app. If none of it works, you want to simply go ahead and try to resend code, or you could also try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data for a better internet connection. Always make sure that your date and time settings are automatically set. And if none of it works, you want to simply contact amazon.com/a/help sign in. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.